Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best IRA regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a global online broker founded in 2006 in Dublin, Ireland, that offers trading in a wide variety of markets. Backed by strong financial infrastructure, the broker provides an array of trading platforms to suit different trading styles, as well as operates under multiple regulatory jurisdictions and holds client funds in segregated accounts to enhance security. Avatrade offers a wide range of trading instruments through CFDs, giving traders plenty of options to build a diversified portfolio. You can trade over 50 Forex pairs, including majors, minors, and exotic currencies, as well as popular commodities like gold, silver, oil, and natural gas. Leading global indices such as the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and FTSE 100 are also available, alongside hundreds of international stock CFDs. Cryptocurrency CFDs including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple allow for around-the-clock trading. For traders looking for more advanced strategies, Avatrade also offers vanilla options on Forex and select commodities, making it suitable for both beginner and experienced traders alike. The broker provides a variety of trading platforms to suit different styles. MetaTrader 4 is ideal for beginners and experienced traders, while MetaTrader 5 adds more timeframes, order types, and asset coverage. Traders can also use WebTrader for browser-based trading or AvaOptions for professional options strategies. Social and copy trading are supported through AvaSocial, allowing users to follow and replicate experienced traders. Available on desktop and mobile, Avatrade's platforms give traders the tools they need to trade effectively. Additionally, their mobile application lets traders execute orders, track prices, view interactive charts, and set alerts from anywhere. Unique features like AvaProtect also help manage risk, making mobile trading simple and secure. Avatrade offers a range of trading account types to cater to different trader profiles. The retail account is the most common, providing access to a wide array of markets with standard leverage and regulatory protection. For experienced traders, their professional account offers higher leverage and fewer restrictions, though it comes with increased risk and requires meeting specific eligibility criteria. The broker also provides Islamic accounts, which comply with Sharia law by offering swap-free trading conditions, as well as multi-account manager accounts, which are available for fund managers to manage multiple client accounts efficiently. Each account type is designed to meet the unique needs of traders, ensuring flexibility and support for various trading strategies. Avatrade offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools designed to support traders at every level. Their Ava Academy provides over 200 free online courses covering a wide range of topics. These courses feature video lessons, quizzes, and certificates to enhance learning and track progress. For those seeking structured guidance, Avatrade's Trading for Beginners section offers tutorials on key concepts such as leverage, margin, and trading lots, helping newcomers build a solid foundation in trading. Additionally, Avatrade hosts live webinars as well as provides a wide variety of video tutorials and articles, covering topics from risk management to technical analysis and trading strategies. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, Avatrade's educational resources are designed to empower traders with the knowledge needed to navigate the financial markets confidently. At number 4 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009 and is based in the United Kingdom. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and FCA, and currently have over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM account, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM offers a total of 4 trading account types, and all accounts except for the shares account have a minimum deposit requirement of $5 with no commission fees. All accounts also have negative balance protection and can be converted to swap-free accounts. In addition to these 4 trading accounts, XM also offers a demo account with a virtual balance of $100,000, and you can choose a platform type, a base currency for your demo account, an account type, the leverage you would like, and the amount you want to invest. For clients of the Muslim faith, XM also allows all accounts to be converted to swap-free accounts. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news, a variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and more. More experienced traders can use advanced trading tools such as MQL5 and Forex calculators if you are searching for any additional resources with XM. Coming in at number 3, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is a leading online trading provider offering access to a wide range of financial instruments including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FP Markets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FP Markets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FP Markets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, TradingView, and the FP Markets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FP Markets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FP Markets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FP Markets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. At number 2 on our list is FXTM. FXTM is a CYSEC and FCA regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, Forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best IRA regulated Forex brokers, we have Alapri. Alapri is a seasoned global broker with over 25 years of experience in the financial markets. Founded in 1998 and trusted by over 1 million clients worldwide, the broker offers access to a wide range of financial instruments with competitive spreads and commission-free accounts. Traders can choose from multiple platforms, providing flexibility for both mobile and desktop trading. The broker supports its users with extensive educational resources, including demo accounts, webinars, tutorials, and expert market insights, catering to both beginners and experienced traders. With a variety of account types, Alapri accommodates different trading preferences and strategies, while daily market analysis helps users stay informed and make well-considered decisions. The broker gives traders access to over 750 financial instruments across a wide spectrum of markets. You can dive into Forex, trading major, minor, and exotic currency pairs. Commodities are also available, like crude oil, Brent oil, and natural gas, as well as metals including gold and silver, great for leveraging international exchanges. Cryptocurrencies are also available, as well as ETF CFDs, futures CFDs, and crosses CFDs for unique cross-market opportunities. The broker offers a choice of 3 powerful trading platforms. The proprietary Alapri trading application is designed for mobile traders, giving easy access to markets, account management, and trade ideas on the go. For desktop users and advanced users, MetaTrader 4 provides reliable tools like customizable charts, automated trading, and multi-account management. Meanwhile, MetaTrader 5 expands on this with more indicators, deeper market access, stock trading, and advanced strategy testing. Perfect for traders who want more flexibility and power. The broker offers a variety of trading accounts to suit different experience levels and strategies. Their micro account is ideal for beginners, using cent-based balances and smaller trade sizes to trade real markets with lower risk. The standard account provides access to most trading instruments with no commission and a low minimum deposit, making it suitable for less experienced traders. For more advanced users, the ECN account offers tight spreads and commission-free trading on Forex, indices, and commodities, while the Pro ECN account is designed for seasoned traders, providing zero spreads, low commissions, access to all instruments, and advanced trading tools. Alapri keeps traders informed with timely market news and in-depth analysis across multiple instruments. Its daily updates provide expert insights into market trends, price movements, and key economic events, helping traders make more informed decisions. The analysis covers everything from currency pair fluctuations and commodity trends to stock market shifts and macroeconomic developments, giving traders a comprehensive view of the markets. Whether you're tracking gold, oil, or major currency pairs, Alapri's analysis section equips you with the tools and insights needed to refine strategies and respond quickly to changing market conditions. And those are some of the top 5 best IRA-regulated Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.